Wordly Wise, Lesson 8 Test. Kelsey was ecstatic when she heard the news. What is the synonym for ecstatic? Depressed, worried, or jubilant? The expedition took them to Africa and Asia. What is the synonym for expedition? Journey, airplane, or boat? The remote control is in a convenient spot. What is the synonym for convenient? Useless, forgotten, or handy? A scrimmage is underway. In the rat cage, what is the synonym for scrimmage? Squall, feast, or fight? It didn't take long for her to retrieve her guys. It didn't take long for her to retrieve her bracelet. What is the synonym for retrieve? Design, recover, return. Ahead of us lay the grizzly bear's territory. What is the synonym for territory? Threats, trails, or terrain? Summer seemed to linger later this year. What is the antonym for linger? Appear, flee, or shrink? Devin was an inept painter. What is the antonym for inept? Careless, dull, or daft? The captive bird refused to sing. What is the antonym for captive? Well fed, happy, or liberated? Victoria's advice was invaluable. What is the antonym for invaluable? Useless, helpful, or wrong? Ladybugs are beneficial in gardens. What is the antonym for beneficial? Helpful, harmful, or popular? The professor interpreted the formula for class. What is the antonym for interpreted? Spoke, revised, or obscured? Choose the best answer. Mr. Bates interpreted the speech for the audience. Interpreted means gave the speech in another language, read the speech word for word, or presented a summary of the speech. Choose the best answer. Who is most likely to accompany a violinist, a theater manager, a family member, or a piano player? Choose the best answer. A supplement to a dictionary is most likely to be an all new edition, contain more words than the original, or contain words left out of the original. Choose the best answer. Captive is to prison as ring is to jewelry box, guard is to jail, or cage is to pin. Choose the best answer. What would be a convenience in an apartment? Carpet, a washing machine, or the apartment manager? Choose the best answer. The catnip out of Snowball. The catnip. Sorry, guys, that should say the catnip put Snowball in a state of ecstasy. Ecstasy means unconsciousness, confusion, or extreme happiness. So, again, the catnip put Snowball in a state of ecstasy. Ecstasy means unconsciousness, confusion, or extreme happiness. Choose the best answer. The expedition assembled in Cairo. Expedition means a collection of supplies for a journey, transportation for a long trip, or a group of explorers or soldiers. Choose the best answer. Which of the following would be called an expense? A flower garden, a drought, or the surface of an ocean? Expense. Choose the best answer. An inept compliment is likely to thrill the person getting the compliment, embarrass the person getting the compliment, or be very imaginative? Choose the best answer. A traveler might be accompanied by a friend, a travel agency, or his or her workplace. Alyssa supplemented her dinner with a good book, a bedtime snack, or a short nap. Choose the best answer. I could interpret his expression. Interpret means figure out the meaning of, bear to look at, or forget. Choose the best answer. The chimp was trained to retrieve a ball. The chimp would throw the ball at the basketball hoop, make a sign for the word ball, or bring back the ball you had just thrown. Choose the best answer. The cat scrimmaged and then ran. Scrimmaged means jumped outside, jumped up, had a short fight. Choose the best answer. When Alaska was a territory and not a state, it was an independent country governed by the United States, or able to elect its own president.